Mahindra 64W 4x4 automatic. Suzuki. Chrome. Bumper in the light. Bumper in the light. Light. Side view. Open the gate, please. Wait. Side view. I will get the key. This you can see side view. Open please with key. Close please with key. Sliding door with the key. Automatic remote. 4x2 wagon. Transformer wagon timing chain. 4x4 transmission. Ready to drive. Okay. Close please. Okay. Side view. Beautiful inside view with different color door. Power side mirror, power front glass, power back glass. Dashboard with the left sliding door. You can open the from here. You see, and you can close also here. Push this one. Double open sliding gate from dashboard and remote key. Beautiful leather cover, leather seats cover. You can see this one all. Everything is decorated different. This is a back view. The back side chairs, and you can fold if you want to like this. This can be like this, and if you want to put coffee like this, coffee or water. Sliding touch, and the back side view. Wagon. Open please. You can see this is the back side. Beautiful this one. Side painted with a urethane. Lighter. चलता था এখন. This is the back view. This is the other side view. very clean with the leather carpet. This is from front. You can see everything is clean. Front view from the other side, from the right side. This is converted to left hand side. If you want to put here touch screen, we can put, no problem. Surplus mugs are 13. Overview for one minute. Please check this unit in one. The 64 Wagon 4x4 automatic, ready to drive with paint, upholstery, Aircon by first owner. This will be overview. You can see without stop. So everything will function. Slide with the yabi, with the key. Okay, close please. Close. Getting big movie, so I'm going to close this one. This one, the back view. Back door. Wagon lights. Turbo 4x4 automatic, every wagon. Suzuki product, Japan surplus. Back view for a very fast. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like, comment and get, this is my contact number, and it's ready to drive. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. DS64 Wagon 4x4. Thank you very much from the Suzuki product. Take care. Bye bye.